Why is everyone choosing Microsoft Teams over a legacy phone system? Microsoft Teams can make it easier for teams to collaborate, share information, and communicate with each other by using a single platform for email, chat, voice, video, and file sharing. Microsoft Teams is a cloud-based platform, which means it can be easily scaled and adapted to meet the changing needs of your business. This can be especially useful if your business is growing, as you can easily add users, features, and integrations to Microsoft Teams without the need for expensive hardware and software. One of the features with Microsoft Teams is the transfer feature. To transfer a call to another user, select more actions from the call controls. Choose Transfer and enter the name or number of the person you would like to transfer the call to. This is where the call features start to kick in. You can select the option to ring back if there's no answer, to ensure the call isn't dropped or sent to voicemail during the transfer. The call will automatically be sent back to you if the recipient doesn't answer.